Hello student. Now in this video I am going to teach you the working of different microphones. Last video we have learned about basic of microphone and its important characteristics. Let's start first microphone, that is ribbon microphone. As you can see on your screen, this is the image of ribbon microphone. This is the internal diagram of ribbon microphone. So first point is why it is called a ribbon microphone. Because it consists of a ribbon foil made by aluminum wire. So it is called as a ribbon microphone. So its construction, it consists of two important parts. First part is ribbon foil. Here this is the ribbon foil and it is made by aluminum wire. Second point is permanent magnet. This is the permanent magnet, maybe shoe type permanent magnet. Its function is used to generate strong magnetic field. Between the pole piece of ribbon is placed and output is taken across the secondary winding of transformer. So let's find its working. Working is so simple. We know that microphone is a device that is used to convert sound waves into electrical signal, so that we have to apply sound waves onto the ribbon foil. Then ribbon foil vibrates, so magnetic flux changes, so EMF is induced across the ribbon foil and its output is connected, or it was appear at the transformer of the ribbon microphone. So point is that we have to apply the sound waves to that ribbon foil. Ribbon foil vibrates, it cuts the magnetic flux across the ribbon foil, voltage was induced. So the output voltage or induced voltage is proportional to the rate of change of flux. Second, it is proportional to the number of turns of ribbon foil. And third was the force of sound wave striking onto the ribbon. So on the output voltage, 3 points can be very much important. One will be the proportional to the rate of change of flux, second will be the number of turns of coil, and third will be the force of sound waves striking the diaphragm. Now next is important characteristics of ribbon microphone. First is frequency response. It is 20 to 12 kilohertz and it is very good for the audio frequency range. Directivity. Directivity means what direction the microphone can pick up the sound waves. It is the figure of 8, means bidirectional pattern. It tells us sound force was applied to the microphone, that is front as well as back side. If I hold this microphone like such, the force can be applied here side, left side as well as right side. Impedance. It is 0.2 ohm. It is very low. For that, impedance matching transformer is required. So inbuilt impedance matching transformer is present in the ribbon microphone. Sensitivity, that is the output voltage of microphone. It is very low, that is 3 microvolt, so that we have to require that preamplifier. Means the microphone output is connected to the preamplifier circuit. Signal to noise ratio is 50 dB. It is good. That means signal ratio is high, noise ratio can be reduced. Distortion is 1% and it is very less. So the audio distortion and phase distortion can be reduced. So these are the important characteristics of ribbon microphone. Let's start the second microphone, that is a crystal microphone. As you see on your screen, this is the image of crystal microphone. This is the internal diagram of crystal microphone. Again, point is that why it is called as a crystal microphone, because crystal is a material used in the crystal microphone, so it is called as a crystal microphone. Construction of crystal microphone. It consists of two parts. One will be the diaphragm. Diaphragm can be made by aluminum material or maybe plastic material having thin circular shape, on where we have to apply that sound pressure waves. Here this is the diaphragm and this is the crystal unit. Crystal unit or crystal slice. It may be cord material or it may be the ceramic material and some support, insulating support. So there are two important points. One will be it consists of diaphragm on where we have to apply that sound waves. Second part is the crystal unit. On the crystal unit, this is two electrodes. On the two electrodes we have to collect that output voltage. So working point is so simple. Now we have to apply that sound pressure waves onto the diaphragm. Then diaphragm moves as well as crystal moves. Crystal vibrates. According to the crystal vibration, we have to induce that output voltage. Let's find in words. Working of crystal microphone. When sound waves was applied to the diaphragm, then crystal vibrates. So the difference of voltage is induced at the crystal terminal. So the induced voltage is proportional to the mechanical pressure was applied to the crystal unit. So working is so simple. We have to apply that sound waves to the crystal. Crystal vibrates like this, and according to the vibrations, the mechanical pressures, somewhat we called as piezoelectric effect. According to the mechanical pressures, vibrations, so induced voltage can be produced at the output. These are some important characteristics of crystal microphone. First is sensitivity. It is the output voltage of crystal microphone and it is 50 millivolt. It is good as compared to the ribbon microphone. Signal to noise ratio. It is 40 dB, means it is high. Generally, noise can be reduced by this ratio. Frequency response. It is 100 to 8 kHz. It is good. Distortions low, about 1%. Directivity. Directivity pattern is omnidirections. Means the microphone can pick up the sound wave force in 360 directions. Like if I can hold this microphone, it can pick up sound in 360 directions. Output impedance. Output impedance is high and it is about 1 mega ohm. Student, up to now we have complete two microphones. One will be the ribbon microphone, second will be the crystal microphone. So in that we are going to learn the internal diagram, its internal constructions, both microphone working, and both microphone important characteristics. So on these two topics in the exam, 4 marks question may be asked, like draw the internal diagram of ribbon microphone or maybe crystal microphone, lists its important characteristics, or draw the diagram and write the working principle of ribbon as well as crystal microphone. Both microphone working principle are different because their internal material is different. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you for watching.